Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to open Google Sheets in Chrome. This is a fundamental skill that will allow you to access your spreadsheets quickly and start working on your data, budgets, or collaborative projects right from your browser. First, you'll want to open your Chrome browser. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll see the Google Apps icon, which looks like a grid of dots arranged in a square shape. This icon is your gateway to all of Google's applications and services. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a menu of available apps. When the menu appears, you'll see various Google applications displayed. Look through these options and find the one labeled Sheets. This is Google's spreadsheet application, and clicking on it will take you directly to the Google Sheets platform. It's positioned among other popular Google apps, so it should be fairly easy to spot. After clicking on Sheets, you'll be prompted to log into your Google account if you're not already signed in. The first thing you'll need to do is input your email address associated with your Google account. Type it into the designated field, making sure it's entered correctly. Once you've done that, click the Next button to proceed to the next step of the login process. Now you'll be asked to enter your password. Type in the password that corresponds to the email you just entered. Take a moment to ensure you've typed it accurately, as incorrect passwords will prevent you from accessing your account. After entering your password, click Next again to complete the authentication process. Once you've successfully logged in, Google will direct you straight to your Google Sheets homepage. Here you'll have a couple of options to choose from. You can start fresh by selecting a blank sheet, which gives you a clean slate to work with. Alternatively, if you have existing spreadsheets that you've worked on previously, you can browse through and select any of those files to continue where you left off. This flexibility makes it easy to jump right into your work, whether you're creating something new or picking up an ongoing project. And there you have it. You've successfully opened Google Sheets in Chrome, and you're ready to start working on your spreadsheets. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.